Welcome, here I've got REALME GT NEO2 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick advanced settings. Here at the first page we have flip selfie option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our camera mirror effect as we need. And when we want to use it, we have to be sure that we use front camera because this only works for selfies, so of course we have to remember to change it from the back to front by using simply this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.